What's up, YouTube? So it's been a minute since I've made a video. I've been busy. Just a little background. So we're gonna be testing these 50/50 Azure carbon fiber props. I have tested these, the 3-blade version. I usually like to keep an eye out on bi-blades in the market, like 5-inch bi-blades. I know Konasty 6 inches are hitting pretty good, but these they look cool. The shape was good. So I mean, I'm not overly impressed with them, a little spoiler alert, but they are super fun to fly and have some really interesting characteristics you're about to see. So I'm just gonna throw up a pack real quick. Enough talking, let's get it. Here we go. Pretty medium weight quad. Off top, you notice the pitch, super low pitch. It sounds like a 7-inch almost. Got some prop wash because I haven't tuned yet for them, but they have, I'm trying to describe what the feeling is. They're really responsive without being twitchy, I guess. So like the watermelon props, they're really responsive as well, but they're also extremely twitchy. Holy shit. Yeah, so the cornering isn't bad. Let's put some pressure through it. It's not bad, but it's not the best. But I'm not really. So I wonder how these would do on a really lightweight racing setup. I want to build. So if you remember that frame that I got from Airpunk, the all carbon fiber molded with the curved arms or whatever, single piece, I want to throw these on that. So I'm going to be building that just to test. These are louder, so they're like lower pitch. I guess that makes the sound travel a bit further. They are rocking though, for real. They're fun to fly. So on these, especially on these Korea, on these Towas, even just to cruise, they're super fun. Forgot to turn the fan on, hold up. Fogging up. Yeah, and they're really efficient. You dizzy yet? I probably should have warmed up before I went all in, but ooh, that was close. You see that little bobble there? That can be avoided by some light tuning. Also, there's something up with my FPV feed. I think I need to bump the contrast or something. Alright, we can bring it in. Maybe do a little speed test. I know it's the end of the pack, but we could do one right here. Not bad. This is a heavy quad, but anyway, let's take them all for the tank.
Yeah, down.
So let's see, we got cool motors. Yeah, these are pretty cool. What's the downside to them? I don't know. I don't even know if I like these. Of course, I much prefer the R42s that I've been flying, but they're fun. There's a fun element about them that this is only my second flight through it, so I can't describe it exactly yet. Let me unplug. But there's something about them that I like, and I want to explore a little bit further. Maybe make this a little bit lighter setup, or I don't know. So that's it. Go ahead and check out my Patreon on March 2nd, which is this Monday. I'm doing a huge giveaway, like 6 different items. VTXs, 10 sets of props, a frame, FPV cameras, stuff like that. Go check it out. And patreon.com/maxbeamer. And I'll see you guys on the next one. I'll put these props in the description. Peace.